Assalam Alaikum. Today I'm gonna tell you the history of the city of pines. Can you tell me the name of the city? Yeah, its name is Abbottabad. It's heaven on earth. Its beauty is famous in the whole world. This is also known as City of Schools and is located in the Hazara region of eastern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. It is the 40th largest city in the Pakistan and fourth largest in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa by population. It is about 120 kilometers north of Islamabad Rawalpindi and 95 miles east of Peshawar at an elevation of 1256 meters. Kashmir lies a short distance to the east. At the Second Anglo-Sikh War, the British had annexed the entire Punjab region up to Peshawar. Abbottabad was founded in the early 1850s by a British Army officer and the Bengal Army of British Raj, James Abbott, and replaced Haripur as Hazara's capital. On the 9th of November 1901, the British established a north-west frontier province from the northwestern district of the Punjab. This meant that Abbottabad was now a part of the newly formed province. Following the announcement of partition of British Raj into Dominion of Pakistan and Dominion of India, a referendum was held in the NWFP and the result was in favor of Pakistan. In 1955, Abbottabad and the whole NWFP became a part of West Pakistan. But the province was established again in 1970 and Hazara district and the two tribal agencies were merged to form the new Hazara division with its capital at Abbottabad. Abbottabad was founded and named after Major James Abbott in January 1853 as the headquarters of Hazara district during the British Raj. He remained the first deputy commissioner of the Hazara district from 1845 until April 1853. Major Abbott is noted for having written a poem titled Abbottabad before his return to Britain, and which he wrote of his fondness of the town and his sadness of having to leave it. Now, if we talk about tourism, the Karakoram Highway, which traces one of the paths of the ancient Silk Road, starts from the Nabdal on and heads north passing through the city, eventually reaching Hunjra Pass. The Karakoram Highway is a major attraction itself for its views. The Karakoram Himalayas and the Hindu Kush ranges can be approached from the Abbottabad, and it continues to be a transit city of tourists, serving as a base of visiting nearby places such as Hunza, Gilgit, Skardu, and Indus Kohistan of the Karakoram range. There was an influx of migrants from Azad Kashmir after the 2005 Kashmir earthquake, another from the Swat district during the military operations against militants in 2009 and 2010, and from Waziristan after the army launched major operations against the Taliban in 2009. Now let's come on the education. Abbottabad has a very healthy literacy rate, approximately 56% in average. And the city has a young demographic, ages 15 to 30, due to the large number of students who have come from across the country to study in its schools, for example, Army Burnhall College, Government Postgraduate College No. 1, and Military Academy Kakul. The city has a wide variety of post-secondary institutes such as Ayub Medical College, Frontier Medical College, ComSat University of Science and Technology, and the University of Engineering and Technology. Abbottabad is home to the Pakistan Military Academy, a co-educational federal service military academy that provides training to the officers of the Pakistan Army. The academy has 3 training battalions and 12 campaigns. Another 2,000 guests each year from over 34 countries received some training at PME. If we talk about transport, Abbottabad's main public transport consists of modified taxis. Abbottabad is also served by Davo Express and Niazi Express, the Netco, Skyways, and other bus services. Nearest railway station is in Havelia, which is the last and most northern station of the Pakistan railway network. The station is approximately 30 minutes drive south from Abbottabad city center. Most famous tourist spots are Shimla Hill, Township, Harno River, Karlang Waterfall, Nathia Gully, Mukushpuri, Ayubia National Park, Sajikot Waterfall, and Umbrella Waterfall. The people of Abbottabad speak different languages such as Hindko, Pothwari, Urdu, Pashto, and Gojri. Approximately 94% of the total population speaks Hindko, which sounds like Punjabi. And thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.